Hello everyone! Right now kasama ko isa sa mga student na nag-start dito sa Online Business Academy and isa na siya sa part sa Millionaires Club member at meron siyang good news para sa
Yes, hello everyone to anyone who's watching this video. Yes, tamang-tama sinabi ni Coach Nicole. Isa tayo sa mga student na nabago yung buhay 360-degree because of Online Business Academy. And you know what? I'm a child of an OFW na for sure nakaka-relate din sa'yo. For many years na pag-abroad ay wala pa rin sapat na ipon kaya hindi makapag-for good sa Pinas. And good news kasi maybe right now, you are one of those people who's looking for an opportunity here sa online. Na alam mo yung kahit gagawin mo lang siyang part-time na nasa bahay ka lang just like me or even Coach Nicole na nasa bahay lang right now doing this full-time, you are earning 5 to 6 figures. And you know what? Hindi mo kailangan maging magaling dito. Hindi mo kailangan maging mateke. Okay? As long as you are willing to learn and you must have a device. And of course, no ngayon, OBA system works for you 24/7. Kaya kung gusto mong malaman kung paano and you also want to, to be part of our community, maybe ito na yung answered prayer mo. Alright? Kaya mag-comment ka lang ng I want to learn or message mo si Coach Nicole agad kasi nga isa siya sa mga top earners ng community. Kaya with that, God bless you and see you in our inbox.